Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zinq Technologies Erupt on-ear headphones. You can see from the photo on the box what these headphones look like. It's written here, "Hear the unheard." And we'll quickly take a look at what other information is there on the box. Mostly manufacturer information and what you'll find inside the box, which is basically a headphone, one manual, one USB cable and one aux cable. And that's more or less it. Let's open this box and see what's inside. This is a cloth carrying bag which comes with this particular headset. It's a nice touch. This is the user guide manual for the Erupt on-ear headphone. Also the model number is ZQHP4155. Should read it at least once, of course. And this is a thank you note from Zinq Tech. I'm going to leave this here as well. Moving on, this is a micro USB charging cable with USB-A connector on one end. There's a title look for the same. And this is a 3.5 mm aux cable for when you want to, when you want to connect it directly to a music device. Now let's take a look at the headphones themselves. This is the Zinq Technologies Erupt on-ear headphones. This is the on-ear design. The ear cushion, there are soft ear cushions here. This comes with a glossy black finish. It's made out of plastic. The body is made out of plastic, and let's see if these are extendable. They're extendable from the cups are extendable on this hinge over here. The inside is not metallic, this is also plastic, but has a nice finish to it. And what else do we have? These are foldable. So this particular earphone has a foldable form factor. You can see there are some hinges over here as well, so you can fold it like so and carry it around. It's very portable, as you can see. What else do we have? The ear cups don't swivel on either side. They're kind of stiff, but that's okay. Overall, it's quite flexible and not breakable, but flexible regardless. So on the left ear cup, you get a lot of buttons. These are your media control buttons. Basically, you have your volume rocker, your pause play button, your call receive call cancel button, and you also have this M button, which is what you use to switch between the different connectivity modes. Also have a micro USB charging port and an aux port as well, along with a TF card adapter. So that's a great addition. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zinq Technologies Erupt on-ear headphones. Thank you for watching.